Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Equifax to dispute inaccurate accounts, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, gather all necessary documents related to the inaccurate accounts you wish to dispute. Visit the Equifax website to access their dispute portal. From the home page, navigate to the dispute section. Select the option for submitting a dispute online. If you don't have an account, click Create an account and complete the registration process. Log into your Equifax account using your email and password. Once logged in, locate the File a Dispute option on your dashboard. Click on this option to start the dispute process. You will be prompted to enter personal information for identity verification. Provide your full name, address, social security number, and date of birth. Next, proceed to the section where you can add accounts to dispute. Review your credit report to identify the accounts that contain errors. Select each account you wish to dispute and click on it for further details. You will need to provide a brief explanation of why you believe each account is inaccurate. Attach any supporting documents that validate your claim. Once you've entered all necessary information, review your dispute submission for accuracy. After confirming everything is correct, submit your dispute. You will receive a confirmation notification showing that your dispute has been filed. Keep track of your dispute by logging into your Equifax account periodically. Equifax will typically investigate your dispute within 30 days. Once the investigation is complete, you will receive the results via email or through your account. If the dispute is resolved in your favor, the inaccurate information will be corrected. If it is not resolved favorably, you can consider adding a statement explaining your side. Stay proactive and monitor your credit report regularly for any further errors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.